Well, it was 2008. I lost a really, really good job. Um, I was working for a ranch in Florida. I was a production manager for that ranch. And, well, the economy, everybody knows what happened in 2008. The economy just went to crap. And I lost a really good paying job. Went from making, high $80,000 a year to making nothing overnight, and it hurt. I had a mortgage, had a young family, four young children. I had a wife. Uh, she works as well, but she's a CNA. Makes like $12 an hour. It's not really a lot of money. So from 2008 to 2000, end of 2013. I bounced around from really bad job to really crappy job to really crappy job, making no money. It was horrible. It was actually a point where we were all sleeping in the car, all six of us. My four children, my wife, and I were sleeping in a car for a couple weeks. Um, it just got really bad. But in the beginning of 2014. I don't know. I did something that was unusual of me. I quit my job. I came home and I told my wife there has to be a better way. And I got online and I searched. And I said, I'm not an idiot. I went to college. I think I could figure this out. I made a huge mistake and put in how to make money easily online. And the first thing that popped up was a thing called Easy Money Printer. By a couple of these guys. God, I don't remember their names. But at the time I didn't realize what I was doing, and I should have paid attention to what they were doing instead of what they were selling, because what they were selling was garbage. It was MCA, Motor Club of America. And I'm just saying, if you have success with that, great. I sold a few $100s of it, but it wasn't for me. But yeah, I knew I still there was this ability to make money online, and then I found out what real affiliate marketing was, and I found affiliate marketing groups like JVZoo, ClickBank. There was several of them out there back in the day. Rakuten was at PaySpree. It's gone now. You got Amazon. There's so many of them. So from 2014, those first couple months, it was a struggle figuring things out. But about April of 2014 is when I had the real big change in my life. I was selling a few products on JVZoo, and I started getting good at creating sales funnels. I was just learning about them and building an email list. And when I started promoting these two products, it was Videomaker FX was the first one, and then the other one was this wasn't through JVZoo. This was through PaySpree. Was Sean Walters' Facebook group poster, and both those products. Matter of fact, Videomaker FX still works today. It's a great product, but Sean Walters' poster worked for 2.5 years after when I first signed up to sell it for. So we're talking there was some longevity in these products, and they were good products. And it felt like with the Facebook group poster, I was like the only one promoting it because I sold so many of those. It was ridiculous. I had a $4,000 month selling a $50 product at 50% commission. It was ridiculous. Actually, it was 75% commission. That's what it was. But anyways, I was, selling these things at $50 a pop. I was selling them like crazy. All because of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing literally changed my life overnight that one day. And since then, now I no longer live in Florida. Me and my family's moved to South Carolina. We own our own home. I own my own home here. My wife still works because she loves working with people. She's like I said, a certified nurse assistant or whatever. But she works with the mentally challenged, and she really likes her job. You gotta love that. But she don't have to work. We got a dog. We got two cats. We have a lovely home. We have 2 children in college. We got one is a senior this year, and one is it's an 8th grader. It'll be a freshman next year. Who's the quarterback on his middle school football team. Anyways, I'm sorry about bragging about my family, but I have time to make those pleasurable moments with my family now, where if I had to work those really crappy jobs like I was back before 2014, I would never be able to see my kids grow up, and I would never be able to go to all the events that I was able to go to with my children. My one son, Trevor, wrestles, and I was able to go to with him all over the country, all because of affiliate marketing. And it was funny, a lot of people would always say, how can you get away with this? How can you go on all these trips? You don't even have a job. And so everybody thought I didn't have a job because I didn't go to work. But I was making more money than them just sitting home with affiliate marketing. And I can show you how to do it too. So all you have to do is put your information down below, and we'll get started today. Thanks. This is just Sean.